Sansi on the mic, they say that dude's a bad man. I copy shit you dropped and then I throw it in the trash can. Y'all are squares like some plaid pants. When I'm writing something snaps, I gotta call my doctor, get a CAT scan. My mama always raised me right, that's just what Mimi taught.
What's up guys, this is Dark Knight Cars and we got the M6 here. I'm gonna go over 5 things I just do not really like about it or that bother me. If you guys wanna know more, because there is more, like for a part 2, we'll make that happen. So you pay more for half the car and no cooling seats. The M5, the E60 M5 has cooling seats and 2 more doors. This costs more, brand new. So not only the seats, but don't get me started on this cup holder. Doesn't work, don't even need it. And then you got this weird little silver thing right here, which is kind of strange. And then you can put the cup holder, you know, if you do find it where you threw it, shove it in here. It's funny because, you know, it seems like they spent more time designing the fact that you can hide the cup holder back here than actually designing the cup holders. The normal 3 Series has a retractable arm that gives you the seatbelt, but this one, you gotta reach back there. Another thing this car doesn't have that I really wish it did is the active bolstering. The E60 M5s have the active bolstering where you're turning around a corner and the left or the right side will like grab you. It feels like it's hugging you. The car hugs you pretty much. And this car doesn't have it. So again, comparing this M6, 2010 M6 to say a 3 Series, 09 or even a 2010, this car does not come equipped with Bluetooth for audio. It does have like phone Bluetooth, which no one even uses that anyway. But as you can see here, external devices, USB, which is the USB drive for music. It has auxiliary, which is, I mean, good, better than nothing. And when you open this up and see, this right here is what I have to use for my Bluetooth. It just plugs into the aux port. And then I have it plugged into the USB, so it's always charging and always on, so it never dies. So another thing that kind of bothers me about the car that I forgot to mention is the front end. So you look at a 650i compared to this car, it's not that big of a difference. You know, from here up, you can't really tell. It's once you get up past the mirrors and the carbon fiber, then you really know, oh, that's an M6. The M5, completely different. You see a 535, a 528, even a 550. From the front end, you know it's a 550, you know it's a 535. The M5 stands out. I mean, it's such a big difference between the, you know, non-M version and the M version. Now the M6, can't say the same. So at the end of the day, you know, I do miss my E60 M5 a lot. It has a lot of the options that I'm missing in this car, like seat bolstering and what I, you know, just went over. And this car costs more. This is more sporty. It's lighter, lower to the ground. Carbon fiber roof, carbon fiber interior, which the M5 did not have. Some people don't really like the carbon fiber, some people really do. I personally like it in this car a lot. I think in the E60 it's a little overdone. I like the wood in the E60. It's, you know, classier, a little more luxurious. But, you know, at the end of the day, I'm a C60 M5, but I do love the M6.
From the college dorm. Let me rip it again. Coldest to do it with no dividends. Promise my mama I'm gonna get comments. Won't stop till I'm skirting my street in the Benz. Words to my family, words to my friends. This shit forever or die when it ends. I'm going up, all the way up. God is just waiting for me to ascend. And I'm here now. Damn, my sound is so clear.